Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I'm starting a new playlist today. I'm going to start doing sandwiches from around the world. Oh yes, spring, summer, don't really want to cook much, do you? So I thought, well, let's do a few sandwiches from around the world, and we'll see how we get on. Now today's one, legend has it, the tuna melt, that's what we're making, was accidentally invented in the 1960s at a Woolworths lunch counter in Charleston, South Carolina, when the cook didn't notice that a bowl of tuna salad had tipped over onto a grilled cheese. We may never know if this story is true, but there's no doubt that the tuna melt has become American dinner food, classic dinner food. So there we go. That's what it is. Is it true? Is it not? We don't know, do we? Right, so what have I got then? I've got 2 tins of tuna in water. I've got a red onion, 2 little pickles, 2 pickles and I just chopped up, a squeeze of lemon, a tablespoon of mustard, a bit of salt, unsalted salt, bit of pepper, not pepper, bit of butter, some salt and pepper, mayonnaise, I've got some mature cheddar, and I'm going to stick a bit of mozzarella on to get it that extra gooiness. That's what I'm going to do. Nice and simple. First things first is we're going to open these and drain them. Do the lazy way, eh? Do the lazy way. Cost me £7 that did from good old Morrison's on the sale. And it's nice and easy for that. Okay, now we've got the onions and the pickles, gherkins, whatever you want to call them. 2 tins of tuna. I do like me tuna. I do like tuna. It's nice, isn't it? 69p these tunas from Aldi. Have 2 of them. Could have got 3, I suppose, but it's only me having it, so I think 2 will be okay. We're going to break all that up first. Oh, yes. I haven't had tuna mayo for absolutely ages. I'm going to stick my salt and pepper in. Give it a mix. There's only a pinch of each, that's all. Do it to your taste, obviously. Mayonnaise. Always add more mayo or however you like it. I think I put about 3/4 of a cup in or something. Mix it together. Don't forget, you want it so it sticks to your bread, you know, because you're toasting it. You don't want it too runny. Mustard, whole grain mustard, and your bit of lemon, if you want lemon. I've put a bit in just for the content. Only a little drop, put into what you like. Get all the mix. Oh yeah. Right, that's stage 1 done. Get your bread. I'm using a Tiger Bloomer, but use whatever you want. Bit of sourdough or suppose or whatever. What I might do is, yeah, I'll do that like that. And we're going to butter the one side. That's it. 3 of them are done. We will get the pan heated up now. I'm going to put a bit of butter on there, in there, with a bit of spray oil. Don't want loads. And we're just going to toast it up. You can also do it in the air fryer, don't forget. Nice and simple. You can always put yourself some sweet corn in or whatever you want. A swivel. Butter side down first to start with on both of them. But actually, no, what I've done with the one, I've buttered it both sides, if you can see. Because what we're going to do, is, get my spoon, I'm going to pile some of this on this one. Because this one's going to be a sandwich and that one's just going to be loose. So if you only want one piece of bread, you can have one piece of bread. So we'll do this one first while the other one's frying up. Some cheese. I'm looking forward to this now, so I haven't had it for a long time. And we'll stick a bit of mozzarella on there just to get it that extra gooiness. That will about do us. And we'll put that one on there. And we're going to fry away for a couple of minutes. We just want to get this side toasted. Got an hole in that one, look. Okay, let's turn this one over. There we go. That's started to toast now. We'll get some of this on there so we can get everything melted. A bit of cheese. Turn it down a bit. And a bit of mozzarella on there. And I've got to turn the other one over. Was not burning. Oh yes, and a little bit more butter on there now. Oh yes, look at that guys. Look at that beauty. Okay, and then this one is going to go in the air fryer or under the grill for 2 minutes, just to brown your cheese up. It's got stuck, there we go. If I can get it guys, there we go. Oh yes. And this one is done, so we will dish this one up. And there we go guys, there we go. Oh yes. The other one's just browning up in the air fryer. Let's have a cut. Square, triangle, let's do a triangle, eh? Nice crunch on there. All that gooiness. Oh yeah. Look at that then. Right. Taste test time. And there we go. That one could have done with a little bit longer, but I want to get this one out because that's the main one. So, right, we're going to tuck straight in. I want to get it out before it got cold. So you put how much mayo, how much cheese you want all together. Oh, it smells really nice. Oh yeah. And you can't beat the cooking in butter, can you? You really can't. Oh yes. Let's try the other one. I'll cut the other one in half and show you. Just in case you only want one slice of bread. Gooiness. That's what you want. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know. I don't know which one I would prefer, to be honest with you. I do like this one. There you go, guys. Some nice and simple tuna melt. Legend has it that it's made by mistake. I don't know. So, as I say, I am the OFG, the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye bye.